So we'll look at two different types of problems related to percentages. And let's look at the first one. It says that the population of a town has increased by, and that's an important number, 23% since 2007. The current or present population is 128,000. What was the population in 2007? That is, what was the population in the past? Since the population of the town has increased by 23%, we could say that the current population is 23% more than the population in 2007. That is the same as saying that the current population is 123%. So it's 100% plus a 23% of, not more than, but of the population in 2007. So the current population is 123% of the population in 2007. So let's see what's given to us first. The current population is given to us. So that's 128,000 is 123% of the population in 2007, which is what we're trying to figure out. So let's write down the equation. 128,000 is equal to 123% is 123 divided by 100, which is 1.23 of, which is times the unknown x. The word of is times. Now we divide both sides by 123. 1.23. So that cancels the 1.23 on the right side, and we get x is equal to, that's 104,065. That was the population in, so x is the population in 2007. So in this case, we know the current population and we find the population in the past. Now let's look at a different problem which looks very similar to this, but let's read it. The population of a town is projected to decrease by 18% by 2030. So the current population is 36,000. What will be the population in 2030? So population in 2030 is 18% less than population now, which is current population. So population in 2030 is 18% less than population now. So population in 2030 is 18% less, which would mean 82% off. So how did we get that? It's 100 minus 18%. So it's 82% of the population now. So the population in 2030 is our x is equal to 0.82 of the population now is 36,000. So the population in 2030 is equal to 29,520. So notice the difference between these two types of problems, but if we use this method where we set up a sentence that precisely describes the given problem, then it's easier to set up the equation and solve the problem, solve for the unknown.